MRT 1 S Charge B Chennai runs 2025 brings together over 12,000 runners for fitness and a cause. Chennai, the city came alive this morning as MRT 1 S Charge B Chennai runs 2025 brought together thousands of participants to celebrate fitness, community, and compassion. The marathon, one of Chennai's most anticipated sporting events, continued its mission of transforming lives through education by raising funds to enhance infrastructure in government schools across Tamil Nadu. The Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin, graced the event and flagged off one of the run segments, encouraging participants and extending his support to the initiative. Speaking at the event, he said, "The Chennai runs as a commendable example of how sports can inspire collective progress. When people run for a cause, they not just promoting fitness, they helping build stronger, more empowered communities for the next generation." The run concluded with a prize distribution ceremony attended by Padma Bhushan Kamal Hassan, who joined as chief guest and felicitated winners across categories. Applauding the city's spirit of giving back through sport, he said, "It's inspiring to witness Chennai come together for a purpose that uplifts society. Education gives every child the power to dream and the confidence to achieve. The Chennai runs as a reminder that small, collective steps can lead to big, lasting change and that true progress begins when communities move together." Continuing its long-standing mission, the Chennai runs will support the creation of new classrooms, essential furniture, sanitation facilities, and CCTV systems at the MMA Government Higher Secondary School in Pallavaram. MRT 1 will also extend its support to another government school identified for urgent infrastructure upgrades, collectively benefiting 400 முதல் 500 வரை students and ensuring safer, better equipped learning environments. A special highlight this year was the Inclusive Run, which celebrated the spirit and determination of participants who showcased that running truly brings the community together beyond barriers.